Hello, YouTube family. How are you all doing? I hope you're feeling happy, confident, and ready to explore some serious fashion energy today. Whether you're watching from your couch, your office, or on the go, I'm so glad you're here. You're part of the fashion-forward community, where style meets strength and heels meet high standards. Welcome back to Fashion Forward, your trusted space for bold style inspiration, expert insights, and everything that makes you walk with power. Today, we're diving into the elegant, stylish, and absolutely commanding world of stiletto high heel mules, one of the hottest fashion choices for 2025. So, stay tuned, because we're about to take a walk through luxury, one stiletto step at a time. Stiletto high heel mules are not just shoes, they are a revolution in modern women's fashion. Their silhouette, confidence-inducing height, and unique construction define a woman's elegance, presence, and taste. These heels, especially in 2025, have evolved beyond mere accessories. They are conversation pieces. They are power. They are personal statements. Let's begin by understanding the structural beauty of stiletto mules. A stiletto heel is known for its slim, tall, sharply tapered design, giving an elongated look to the legs. Mules, on the other hand, are backless slip-ons that expose the heel and often the sides of the foot. Combined, they create a sensual and bold look that demands attention and respect. Whether the heels are 3 inches or soaring beyond 5, they elevate posture, enhance body movement, and bring a dramatic flair that no other shoe style matches. The materials, what you wear speaks volumes. Materials matter. In 2025, fashion houses are diving deep into a variety of luxurious and innovative materials. Patent leather for glossy impact. Croc-embossed leather for textural richness. Clear PVC for invisible height and futuristic vibes. Satin and silk for romantic elegance. Vegan leather and eco-suede for conscious consumers. Each material not only changes the look of the mule, but also defines the kind of mood you want to express. Trending colors and finishes of 2025. This year is all about bold statements and quiet luxury. Deep emerald, garnet red, and sapphire blue. Royal tones for regal events. Champagne, nude, and taupe. Minimalist favorites. Metallics, silver, gold, rose gold. For high shine energy. Matte black and white. Ultimate versatile neutrals. Neon accents and translucent soles. Gen Z trends. Brands are now exploring dual-textured heels, like mixing suede with transparent straps or combining crocodile print with pearl-lined soles. Day-to-night wearability. The power of stiletto mules lies in their effortless versatility. Pair a cream mule with a soft wool blazer and tailored pants for office chic. Then, switch to a sequin blouse for evening glam, without changing your shoes. Want a brunch-ready look? Try floral printed mules with flared jeans and a wide hat. Going out for a cocktail night? Choose rhinestone-studded mules with a midi bodycon and clutch. It's that simple. Style pairings, what goes best? Skinny jeans plus oversized shirt plus stiletto mules equals Parisian effortless. Silk midi skirt plus turtleneck equals minimalist sophistication. Blazer dress plus pointed mules equals power and play. Denim shorts plus satin mules equals unexpected street style. Monochrome jumpsuit plus metallic mules equals futuristic elegance. Celebrity and influencer culture. It's no surprise that celebrities have embraced stiletto mules as red carpet essentials. Hailey Bieber, Kendall Jenner, Rihanna, and Zendaya have all worn daring versions of these heels. Their social media photos, featuring mules with gowns, pantsuits, and co-ords, are constantly going viral. Influencers are styling them in reels, lookbooks, and GRWM videos across YouTube and TikTok. Luxury fashion designers like Jimmy Choo, Manolo Blahnik, Christian Louboutin, Balenciaga, Amina Mwadi have elevated the stiletto mule into a work of art. At the same time, high street brands like Zara, Steve Madden, Aldo, and Public Desire have made them accessible for the everyday fashionista. Walking in stiletto mules, elegance in motion. Here's the truth, not everyone is born to walk in stilettos, but anyone can learn. Some essential tips. 1. Posture is everything. Keep your back straight and core engaged. 2. Step heel to toe, not flat-footed. 3. Start with low-height stilettos, 2.5 to 3 inches, and gradually work up. 4. Practice indoors, on carpets before hard floors. 5. Use gel pads or insoles for comfort, especially for long wear. Pro tip: if you're going out for more than 3 hours, choose a pair with a slightly wider heel base or a hidden platform. The statement factor: stiletto mules are not for hiding. Their design forces attention. Every step clicks with rhythm. Every stride echoes purpose. The backless structure reveals the ankle and heel in an elegantly sensual way. From walking into a high-stakes meeting to dancing at a rooftop party, they adapt to your mood and movement. Cultural impact and symbolism. Fashion historians consider the stiletto mule a symbol of postmodern femininity. It's no longer just about beauty, it's about power. The exposed heel was once considered taboo. Now it's embraced as fearless. In some cultures, shoes represent status, independence, and rebellion. The stiletto mule fits all those ideas in one design. 2025 Designer Innovations. What's new in the mule world this year? Geometric and spiral heels. LED lit soles for night events. Custom heel height apps. Self-adjusting straps using smart tech. Foldable mules for travel lovers. Designers are pushing the limits of function and fantasy. At Paris Fashion Week, mules with holographic textures and 3D printed heels wowed critics. Expect even more insane creativity from brands in upcoming seasons. Styling mistakes to avoid. To look your best, don't wear long flared pants that cover the heel. Let the shoe shine. Avoid socks unless the design supports it, like mesh or net styles. Skip overly loud prints with heavily embellished mules, it clashes. Don't over-accessorize. Let your shoes be the statement. Sustainability and stiletto